Library and Information Center Kakching Shinduna Houkhiba June Kunmathoida Kakching Lourel Lambida LEIBA Grace Cottage Cultural and Educational Development Foundation na Kakching the PANGTHOKKHIBA Class 3 dagi Class 10 PHAOBAGI MAHEIROISHINGGI OINA English amadi Mathematics ki OINA PANGTHOKPA Kakching District Level Competitive Examinations ki MAKOK TARABASHINGDA mana YENTHOKKHRE Competitive examination sing adudi mana yenthokpagi tharamadu Library and Information Center Kakching na nongmaijing khudingi pangthoktuna lakpagum Special Sunday gi chaunga ga humdra ga nipan suba thoramga loinana Kakching Fausupat lekai de leiba Library asigi auditorium da pangthokhi Thoramadu the Library and Information Center Kakching gi donor amasu oriba bubon amadi Leiden Brickfield Kakching gi mapu naurem nopur singna chief guest Competitive examination sing asigi prize donor sing Kakching Fausupat lekai dagi Yambem Satya Singh Kakching Turel Wangmadagi Mayanglambam Sanaton Kakching Sumak lekai dagi Salam Chandrabali Kakching Wari Thongam lekai dagi Moirangthem Durjoy Kakching Khunyai lekai dagi Mayanglambam Raghunath Kakching Wari Khulakpam lekai dagi Mayanglambam Parshuram Kakching Pazi lekai Ayangbung Paring dagi Yendrembam Mandudari amasung Kakching Khunyai lekai dagi Naurem Mani Devina Thorum Mapusing oike English ki oina category 1 da class 8 fauba aduga category 2 da class 9 amasung 10 gi oina pangthokhiba competitive exam aduda punna mahiroi chahunga marfuga marina aduga mathematics ki oina class 6 gi 10 faugi class wise oina pangthokhiba competitive exam adudana mahiroi chamri ga kunthra mathoina sarukya khi haidi Class 8 FAOBAGI oina pangthokhiba English ki competitive exam da Padma Ratna English School Kakching gi Moirangthem Sangrila Chanuna ahanba mana Grace Cottage Academy Kakching gi Vidya Yengkhom Yambem Pari amadi Padma Ratna English School gi Nongmaithem Julia Devina ahum suba ani shuba mana Padma Ratna English School gi Ingarel Yengkhom Henthoi Hairangkhungjam amadi Laisham Malenganbi Chanuna ahum suba mana fangkhre Mahiroi sing asida Kakching Khunyai lekai dagi M Raghunath na katpa Mayanglambam Kriti Chand Singh Memorial Prize amasung Kakching Fausupat lekai dagi Y Satya Singh na katpa Yambe Money and Nupimacha Memorial Prize piki Class 9 amasung 10 gi oina pangthokhiba English ki competitive exam da Padma Ratna English School Kakching gi Mahiroi Singh Biki Leishangthem na ahanba mana Khwai henba khetrimayum na ani shuba mana naure Mahesh Singh na ahum shuba mana fangkhre Mahiroi Singh asida ZEO Kakching da Assistant Inspector of School oriba Kakching Pazi lekai dagi Y Lokendro na katpa Yendrambam Ibomcha Singh Memorial Prize piki Mathematics competitive exam da class 6 ki oina Grace Cottage Academy gi nongmaithen lamjing bana ahan bana Grace Cottage Academy naurem tomthingan bana ani shuba mana Padma Ratna English School gi thingbaijam Sylviana ahum shuba mana fangkhre Mahiroi Singh asidana Kha Manipur College Kakching gi retired vice principal Kakching Wari Thongam lekai dagi M Durjoy Singh na katpa Moirangthem Nganba Singh Memorial Prize piki Class 7 ki oina Grace Cottage Academy ki Khetrimayung Kishuna ahanba mana Academy asigi naurem lanhanba na ani shuba mana Padma Ratna English School gi naurem khage mana ahum shuba mana fangkhre Mahiroi Singh asidana Kakching Sumak lekai dagi S Chandrabali Devi na katpa Salam Kulavidu Singh Memorial Prize piki Mathematics ki oina class 8 ki oina Padma Ratna English School gi Princeton Moirangthem na ahanba mana Martin Grammar School Kakching gi Brilliant Moirangthem na ani shuba mana Grace Cottage Academy ki Khetrimayum Palin Singh na ahum shuba mana fangkhre Mahiroi Singh asida Kakching Khunyai lekai dagi N Dhaneshwar Singh na katpa Naurem Giridhari Singh Memorial Prize piki Mathematics ki oina class 9 gi oina Padma Ratna English School gi Mahiroi Singh Naurem Homer Singh na ahanba mana Alex Mayanglambam amashung Khwai henba Khetrimayum anina ani shuba mana Thongram Julia Devi amasung Naurem Donald Singh anina ahum shuba mana fangkhre Mahiroi Singh asida Kha Manipur College Kakching gi retired principal M Sanaton Singh na katpa Mayanglambam Ibohal Singh Memorial Prize piki Mathematics class 10 gi oina Padma Ratna English School gi Brahmachari Mayum Dasra Sharma na ahanba mana Grace Cottage Academy gi Naurel Loyalembi Devi na ani shuba mana aduga Padma Ratna English School gi Nicole Mayanglambam na ahum shuba mana fangkhre Mahiroi Singh asidana Kakching Wari dagi M Parshuram Singh na piba Nicole Foundation Prize piki category Singh asigi punna Mahiroi marfuga mapan dasu consolation prize piki haina Library and Information Center Kakching gi Secretary Khetrimium Joykumarna Fongdorakli.